Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, my dear Chintos. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening, good evening. எப்படி இருக்கீங்கடா? How are you doing, my dear Chintos? How are you doing, my dear Chintos? வணக்கம், 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 everyone. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. So, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது part 3 of the parabola. Okay, wow. So, part 3 of the parabola. In this session, so we'll be focusing more on advanced part. Okay, wow. Advanced point of view, important on a concepts I'll be discussing. The advanced point of view is important. That is what I'm going to discuss now. It doesn't mean that it is not important for mains. Kandipa mains point of view romba important. Okay, so okay, why late now? Let us get into the show now. Okay, wow. Stay tuned and Marakama video till the end. Please do watch it. It is very, very useful for everybody. Now listen the class. So before getting into that, nammaloda JEE Vaathi channel a free crash course with name JEE Unfiltered is going on. So please click on the link to enroll in that. It's a free of cost. This is for free of cost. So you can explore this page with math, physics and chemistry. All three subjects we are delivering over here with a free of cost. Okay, wow. So in the time like the free course is very, very, very important and very, very, it's a great opportunity for you all to clear your backlogs and to get on the track to get on the track for your JEE preparation. So this is a beautiful opportunity namalku ellarkum. So miss pannadingada. So along with this, in the video kile description la namarku 𝒉𝒆𝒍𝒐 okay va mega Vedantu scholarship admittance test ke or link irukunda. So with that, so you will be getting a lot of benefits, so in the form of scholarship and a lot of other benefits will be there. Please go register and enroll for that as well. So it's very, very beautiful an opportunity and it is going to be like a memory for your rest of the life. So yeah, please do participate in that as well. So without any delay, let's get into the show now. So guys, so if you want to enroll and if you want to like get the latest updates and everything na nammaloda JEE Vaathi channel Vedantu JEE Vaathi channel subscribe pannada namaliki all these benefits will be available da. If not, this is going to be difficult for you to get, right? So please do subscribe the channel and do share with your friends. And yes, so why late now, let's get into the show then. Sir, first I wait a minute. Okay, let me read your chart. Good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone. Yes. Okay, sir. In the last class, you were discussing what the tangents in three different points, three different forms, right? Now, point of intersection of two tangents. Point of intersection of two tangents. How do we understand this point of intersection of two tangents? So, listen the class. This is very, very important. Okay, it's fell down. 1 minute. Can you all see the screen clearly? Focus ellame clear irka. Focus adjust panikalam. I think this is clear. Okay. Yes. Okay, wow. Sir, point of intersection of two tangents. Sir, basically point of intersection of two tangents, we need to understand one concept. See, for example, listen the class, everyone. Everybody listen the class. See, these are the two tangents. For example, this is one tangent, let's say. Okay, this or parabola. Or parabola. Okay, wow. In the parabola or tangent, everybody listen the class. This parabola or tangent. Parabola or tangent at point called P. Add one more tangent at point called Q, like this. and இந்த ரெண்டு tangent meeting at what point? At a point called Q, at this point called Q, at this point called P, and the point P ஓட coordinates என்னன்னா at1 square comma let's say 2at1, and Q ஓட coordinates என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா at2 square comma 2at2. Are you clear? Yes or no? And these two tangents are meeting at this point called some PQ, let's say the R point. Let's say the R point. இவரோட coordinates என்ன தெரியுமா? at1 comma t2, at1 t2. ஓகேவா? at1 t2, at1 t2 comma a times of t1 plus t2. Sir, என்ன sir எப்படி? How are we writing these coordinates? I'll tell you very simple logic Pari. Guys, we need to understand a concept called Goa. I'll be using a trick called Goa. Sir, Goa na enna sir? Sir, Goa na and Goa kadiyadra chintu. Goa na Pari geometric mean of the next coordinates. G means geometric mean. A means arithmetic mean of their y coordinates. நம்மளுக்கு இந்த R பாயிண்ட் வேணும்னா இந்த பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் இன்டர்செக்ஷன் வேணும்னா எப்படி சார்? இந்த பாயிண்டோட x கோஆர்டினேட்ஸோட ஜியோமெட்ரிக் மீன் எடுத்தா நம்மளுக்கு இந்த பாயிண்டோட x கோஆர்டினேட் வரும். சார் ஜியோமெட்ரிக் மீன் என்ன சார் பாரு? ஜியோமெட்ரிக் மீன் என்ன பேசிக்கலி 2 பாயிண்ட்ஸோட ஜியோமெட்ரிக் மீன் என்ன? at1 square into at2 square with square root. Yes or no? With the square root. சார் இது பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்ன வரும் சார்? இது a square t1 square t2 square with square root. இப்போ ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் எடுத்தா நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வரும்டா? பிளஸ் ஆர் மைனஸ் at1 t2 வந்துரும் பாரு. This is what geometric mean. This is what geometric mean. Geometric mean of two numbers என்னடா? So for example நம்மளுக்கு ரெண்டு நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்குடா, a and b. a and b நம்பர்ஸோட geometric mean வேணும்னா எப்படி? a and b நம்பர்ஸோட geometric mean எப்படி? square root of a and b. square root of a and b. For example நம்மளுக்கு abc இருக்கு, 3 நம்பர்ஸ் இருந்தா அவரோட geometric mean என்ன? square cube root of abc. ஓகேவா? ரெண்டு நம்பர் இருந்தா square root of abc, மூணு நம்பர் இருந்தா cube root of abc. இப்போ நாலு நம்பர் இருந்தா what is the geometric mean of them? Fourth root of abc. புரியுதா? Yes or no? Yes sir. That is what the point of intersection of the tangents. பாரு. So R point ஓட x coordinate என்னடா? at1 comma t2. புரியுதா? சார் இங்க plus or minus வரணுமே. Why are you writing at1 t2 only? Depends on the quadrant, you put a sign plus so minus so. See, obviously the x-axis now you can take it as negative here. Why sir? Both the tangents are meeting the third quadrant. Now you take negative. Are you getting the point? Anyway, now both the tangents are meeting the second quadrant at all, you can take negative only. Okay, wow. Okay. Now geometric mean is that. Arithmetic mean enna sir? What is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic means is basically y coordinates oda arithmetic mean. Y coordinate arithmetic mean enna? Average mari. Okay, wow. Average mari. புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? 100% yes sir. Okay, இப்போ இங்க கரெக்டா பாருடா. The 2 will be cancelled. Okay, what is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is going to be a common எடுத்தா நம்மளுக்கு t1 plus t2. t1 plus t2. This is what the arithmetic mean is all about. The arithmetic mean and is geometric mean. Geometric mean is x coordinate. Geometric mean என்னடா? x coordinate. Arithmetic mean என்னடா? y coordinate. Y coordinate of the point of intersection of the tangent or y coordinate is arithmetic mean. X coordinate is geometric mean. Geometric mean meanak theriyunda. Arithmetic mean also we know that. Sir, here arithmetic mean geometric concept. Arithmetic mean geometric mean enna sir? Those who do not know, you need to study. You need to study sequence and series da. Okay, this is what the point of intersection of the tangents. Hope everybody is understanding here. Ellarkum purida? Ellarkum purida illiyada? 100% yes sir. Clear idea? Yes or no? This is what the point called R. This is what the point called R. Purida? Super. Goa concept எப்படி இருக்குடா? Geometric mean and arithmetic mean. Geometric mean of x coordinates is the x coordinate of R. Arithmetic mean of y coordinates of the point P and Q is what basically y coordinate of the R. In the y coordinate வேணா arithmetic mean, x coordinate வேணா geometric mean. Simple. Okay வா? Sir, இப்போ இது அட்வான்ஸ் பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வியூ ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்டா சார். இப்போ இங்க பாரு, how this is important for advance. But this is advanced question da. JEE 2013 advanced question. Sir, yes sir, ரொம்ப old question is. Are old question da, gold question. In the old questions might come in JEE mains. Okay வா? இது ஒரு ட்ரெண்ட் தெரியுமாடா? old advanced question இப்போ நீங்க சால்வ் பண்ணுவீங்கன்னா that is very important, because old advanced question they are giving in mains now. That is a kind of trend. Sariya? Sir, if a question, let PQ be a focal chord of this parabola, and the tangent to the parabola at P and Q meet at the point lying on this, where A is positive. The length of the focal chord கேட்டிருக்காங்கடா. Super question. Super question. இப்போ just now Suresh sir ஒரு கான்செப்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டாருடா. என்ன கான்செப்ட்? Hi Kishore, how are you Kishore? Listen the class. ஒரு கான்செப்ட் பாரு. இதனா இது y square is equal to 4x, and in the focal chord, the tangent to the parabola P and Q meet at the point and okay. See, same logic I'm applying right here. Pari. In the tangent at this point, tangent at this point and tangent at this point. Okay, but these two tangents are meeting at this point. What is this point? What is this point? Let's say this point P is the point Q. Point P and Q get a tangent meeting at point lying on this line. There is one line like this. There is one line like this. Now, what is that line name? And the line name in Ra. This is one line. Okay. What is the line name? It's some line like this. Y is equal to some positive slope, right? Okay. Okay. Sir, y is equal to 2x plus a line. Okay, wow. This point of intersection is now. Let's say what is point P here? Point P is what basically 80 square comma 280. 80 square comma 280. What is point Q? A by t square comma minus 2a by t. A by t square comma minus 2a by t. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. A by t square comma minus 2a by t. This is what the end points of focal chord. இது எப்படி சார்? அரே focal chord ஓட end points என்ன 80 square comma 280 னா இது 80 a by t square comma minus 2a by t. ஏன் yesterday நான் வந்து ஒரு கண்டிஷன் டிரைவ் பண்ணியாச்சு. என்ன கண்டிஷன்? t1 t2 is equal to minus 1. அந்த t1 t2 is equal to minus 1 கேஸ் பேஸ் பண்ணி இந்த q coordinates எப்படி சொல்லணும்? a by t square comma minus 2a by t. Hope everybody is understanding. சார் இப்போ நீங்க கரெக்ட்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா see, this is the focal chord நம்மளுக்கு. This is the focal chord. This is the focal chord. This is focal chord. Let's say a comma 0. Focus is a comma 0. Okay, wow. Then length of the PQ we need to find out. Length of the PQ I need to find out. And what is this basically? What is this? The x coordinate of the point of intersection of the tangent. If our tangents are meeting at some point means, then let's say the R point. R point at a coordinate Suresh sir enna sonnari. If our tangents are meeting means Goa concept use pannom. Geometric mean of these two guys. Geometric mean of these two guys means what? A t square comma a by t square geometric mean eppadi? Geometric mean eppadi? Tell me. Geometric mean x coordinate paru. If I want to find out x coordinate of R, okay, wow, x coordinate veruna geometric mean. Geometric mean will be giving me x coordinate of R. Geometric mean enna? Square root of a t square into a by t square. Appo t square cancel ayiru. So plus or minus a vandruda. This x coordinate. So this plus or minus a. So it is in the third quadrant. So let us take minus. Okay, and arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean gives me what? Y coordinate of R. Arithmetic mean means what? A 280 by minus 280 minus 2a by t by 2. நம்மளுக்கு 2 காமன் எடுத்துட்டு கேன்சல் பண்ணனும். 2 காமன் எடுத்தா நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி வரும் பாரு? எப்படி வரும்? Tell me Raj. Chintu. at minus a by t. This is what your geometric mean. Sorry, arithmetic mean. T minus 1 by t. Okay, wow. Sir, y square is equal to 4ax. Super irukku sir. Super irukku. Va anna va. T minus 1 by t into a. This R coordinate. Okay, well, this R point is lying on this. Solra enna solranga paru? Sir, tangent to the parabola at P and Q meet at the point lying on the line this. Okay, well, in the point enna? This point is lying on this line. Ipo in the point idla substitute panna namalukku or result varum paru. Enna result? Ipo x value minus a, y value idi. Y value enna? A into t minus pari. A into t minus 1 by t is equal to 2 times of x. X means what? Minus a plus a. Sir, ipo a into t minus 1 by t is equal to minus a. Minus a a cancelled out. So t minus 1 by t is equal to minus 1. T minus 1 by t is equal to minus 1. Okay, wow. T minus 1 by t. Okay, wow. Super, sir. இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு length of focal chord வேணும். Length of focal chord என்ன? We know that length of PQ is equal to A into T plus 1 by T whole square. Suresh sir நேத்து derive பண்ணிட்டார் இந்த ஃபார்முலா. A into T plus 1 by T whole square. Sir T plus 1 by T என்ன சார் அதுமே? சார் நம்மளுக்கு T minus 1 by T தெரியும் சார். And T plus 1 by T என்ன வானா? What do you mean by this? We know that listen here. We got T minus 1 by T as minus 1. Correct or not? Yes or no? T minus 1 by T is equal to minus 1. Then can we use the formula called this? T plus 1 by T whole square is equal to T minus T whole square plus 4AT. Check. A plus B whole square is equal to A minus B whole square plus 4AB. Okay, wow. Inga pari. Sorry, T minus 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square plus 4. So this is equal to 5 pari. So what is this da? This is going to be T plus 1 by T whole square is equal to 5. Correct or not, ra? Simple, ra babu. Sir, this is going to be 5, sir. Sir, this is going to be what now? Tell me. A into 5. So this is going to be 5A. 5 times of A. This is the answer. 5 times of A means B for balle balle is the right answer. B for balle balle is the right answer. Advanced question ready. Two point of intersection of two tangents are meeting at this point called R. R is lying on this line. R is lying on this line is nothing but T minus 1 by T is equal to minus 1. When you get this, can't I find out A plus T plus 1 by T whole square? Yes, sir. This is the formula. Length of focal chord formula A into T plus 1 by T whole square or 4A cosec square theta. Yesterday I have derived it. Okay, wow. Those who watch that, you will understand. Yes, Ravi. 100%. 100% yes, Ravi. Okay. Next. Sir, the paragraph mari question length of PQ and this first question. Second question is, sir, if the chord PQ subtends an angle called theta at the vertex of the parabola this, then tan theta. Super question, listen to the class. It is subtending an angle at the vertex of the parabola. Okay. It is subtending an angle at a parabola. Listen. Subtended angle means what? Okay, tangents. Let me draw the tangents. Okay. Let PQ subtends an angle theta at the vertex of the parabola. PQ subtends the chord at the PQ. Okay, chord at the PQ. This is PQ da. This is PQ. This is chord PQ. This is point P. This is Q. It is subtending some angle at the vertex of the parabola. Okay, wow. Subtending an angle at okay, subtending an angle theta at the vertex of the parabola. Correct or not? Tell me. 100% yes. Sir, ipo neenga correct ah pathina this. Guys, here pari. Are Chintu. Here this angle between the tangents will be 90 here. Okay. And P is a vertex. Vertex and origin. So this is making some angle called theta here. This is making some angle called theta. Okay, wow. You tell me now. Sir, very good. Now P point is sir 80 square comma 280. AT square comma 280. Q point enna AT2 square comma 280. With focal card idi subtended angle edu. Okay, PQ focal card, right? Idanna A by T square, right? Focal card only they have to check. Focal card, PQ be a focal card, same question. PQ be a focal card. A comma 0. Idanna A comma 0. This A by T square comma 2 minus 2A by T. Minus 2A by T. Yes or no? Minus 2A by T. Sir, now tan theta venuda. Tan theta venu. Can I find out the slope of PO? What is slope of PO? Tell me. Slope of PO enada. Slope of PO and slope of QO. We can use tan theta formula. But slope find out angle between this OP and angle between OP and OQ and a theta. So tan theta formula use panikalama. So slope of OP. Slope of OP means what? Either origin. Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1 panikalama pari. Sir, this will be cancelled. So 2 by T is slope of OB. Okay, well, let's say slope 1 basically. Idi M1. Slope of OQ and naruda pari. OQ ki nadu lerika. I mean OQ oda slope. Eppadu find out parano. Y2 minus Y1 pari. 2A by T. Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. This is cancel around. Okay, this is cancel. So minus 2T. Okay, why the slope number 2. So tan theta formula use panna. Tan theta na sir. Tan theta na M modulus of M1 minus M2 divided by M1 plus M1 M2, right? M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2. You put mod. M1 enna 2 by T sir. M2 enna 2T sir. Divided by 1 plus 2 by T into 2T into what? Is minus. Is minus 2 by T into 2T. Okay, wow. Sir, ipo correct ah pathina pari. 2 sir, TT cancel ayrun sir. So minus 4. What can I take common here? 2 common edukkalama. 2 common edutha enna varum pari. 2 common edutha enna varum. 2 common edutha. Namalku T plus 1 by T divided by 1 minus 4 with mod. So namalku T plus 1 by T value enna vandichu. T plus 1 by T value. T plus 1 by T value 5. T plus 1 by T value enna? T plus 1 by T value root 5. Now root 5 inga potittirukeda pari. This root 5 sir. This root 5 by 3. Modulus of minus 3, which is plus 3. So 5 root 2 by 3. 5 root 2 by 3. C for Chintu Baba is the right answer. Yes sir, Pragadeesh, Kandipa Panikla. என்னடா பிரகதீஷ் இப்படி பண்றீங்க? சிண்டு லிசன் த கிளாஸ் டா. சிண்டு ஸ்பாம் பண்ணாதீங்கடா. யூ ஆர் ஹியர் டு ஸ்டடி டா. படி மேன். சரியா? Shall we go forward? T plus 1 by T is root 5 from the previous slide. 1 minus 4 minus 3 with modulus of 3. So 5 root 2 by 3 is the answer. 5 root 2 or 2 root 5 by 3 you can say. 2 root 5 by 3. 2 root 5 by 3 is the answer. 100% you can crack. Okay, wow. Shall we go forward? Yes sir. So next, equation of common tangent. This is very important, a famous concept. Equation of common tangent. How do we write this? Equation of common tangent. Listen to the class. This is super important. Equation of common tangent. Sir, Ravi, Purila, what do you mean by that, Ravi? Raviji, Enada, what do you mean by that? Sir, you changed my view of math teacher usually. What are you trying to say, Ravi? Purila. Shall we go forward? Math roadmap already panniyachi 2007 ki. 2027 ki. Ravi, I don't understand what you mean. Okay. Yes. Next story. See, common tangent kenasa parana pari. Sir, if the common tangent to the parabola idu also touches the circle, this super question da. This is very good question. Okay, wow. Common tangent to this parabola and this parabola also touches the circle, then C is equal to dash. Guys, y square is equal to 4x. X square is equal to 4y. Purida. Ha. Sir, what is the tangent to y square is equal to 4x? Y is equal to mx plus a by m. What is a value from this? From this a value now 1a. From this a value now 1a. Sir, what is the condition of tangency for this? And what is the condition of tangency for this? Okay. Sir, y is equal to mx. Suresh sir yesterday or Visham sonnar na Visham pari. I'll show you the slide. Wait. Ipo y square is equal to minus 4ax, right? Y square is equal to 4ay. I mean x square is equal to 4ay ki equation of tangent na y is equal to mx minus am square. Correct idea? Y is equal to mx minus am square. In the formula and in the formula use pannu. And compare panni slope value find out pannu. Slope find out panna namalku tangent equation vandru pari. Sir, even tangent equation ada. Y is equal to mx minus am square. Appo a value nada. A value na 1 by m. Y is equal to mx minus m square. ரெண்டுமே கம்பேர் பண்ணி பாட்டா. கம்பேர் பண்ணி m வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். கம்பேர் பண்ணி y வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிக்கலாமா? அது ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணி m வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணி m வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். புரியுதா நான் சொல்றது? Are you getting the point or not? Equate both. Equate both. You can equate or you can proportionate, anything works. Okay. Sir, mx plus 1 by m is equal to mx minus m cube, sir. Okay, mx cancel. Sir, m cube is equal to minus 1. Appo m is equal to minus 1 da. M is equal to minus 1. Slope value minus 1 vandircha. Slope value minus 1 vandircha illiyada? Yes. So slope value minus 1 vandirchina pari. Here you can put either here or here. Anywhere it works. Anywhere you can put. In the red box la potukla, in the red, any red box you can put. Let's say it is star. It is star. It hashtag. You put this slope value anywhere in the star or hashtag. Y is equal to minus x plus a value na 1 by n. A value na 1 by minus. So this is what tangent equation. This is the common tangent equation da. Enadi common tangent equation. This is common tangent. Common tangent. Guys, namalku common tangent veruna, we need to know the equation of tangent in slope form da. In the parabola order tangent equation in slope form idi. In the parabola order tangent equation in slope form idi. Ipo rendume see, in the parabola tangent, in the parabola tangent, common tangent irukida. Both of them are having common tangent. So diagram roughly, can you show, sir? Y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ay. This both of them are having common tangent. Eppadi or common tangent. This is common tangent. This is common tangent. In the common tangent is what this equation. Now this is touching the circle. This is touching the circle like this. Okay, what circle? Center 0, 0, radius r. Center 0, 0, radius is c, sir. Ipo perpendicular distance is equal to what? Radius. What is this line equation? Y is equal to minus x minus 1. So can I apply perpendicular distance equal to radius? Avladha mudichiradi. For distance formula apply பண்ணிக்கலாமா? So c is equal to what? So origin போட்டா நமக்கு minus 0 minus 0 minus 1 divided by square root of root 2. C is equal to 1 by root 2. C is equal to 1 by root 2. C is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is the right answer. B for Bombay is the right answer. B for Bombay is the right answer. Pari. Guys, tangent equation for parabolas we should know. இப்போ இந்த parabola கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா, இந்த parabola கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா, இந்த ரெண்டு parabolasக்கு ஒரு common tangent இருக்கு. அந்த tangent touching the circle at some point. இந்த tangent equation என்ன வந்துருச்சு இது. ஓகேவா? இப்போ இந்த tangentக்கு இது என்னடா? Perpendicular distance. இது perpendicular distance தான. C is equal to what? இந்த origin இந்த லைன்ல போட்டா perpendicular distance formula apply பண்ணா நமக்கு C value 1 by root 2 வந்துருச்சுடா. Simple concept. Very simple concept. Yes, கண்டிப்பா. Next. இங்க பாரு. Another equation. You can see this question, guys. This year might be changing, da. So they have put everything same. This year might change, but listen. Equation of common tangent to the circle this and the parabola this. Sir, this is கொஞ்சம் tricky question, da. Tricky question na eppadi sir? How do you say tricky question? In the circle or tangent equation in slow form we should know. Equation of tangent to the circle. What circle is this? First you need to convert into what is the center of the circle. 3, 0, correct? Center enna paru? Center enna? 3, 0, sir. Sir, appo radius enna? What is the radius? Square root of 9 plus 0 plus 0 minus 0. This is radius. Equation of circle enna? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 3 or 3 square radius. This is a circle equation. Am I correct or not? Tell me. Ellarkum purinjicha idi? 100% clear, sir. What is the tangent equation for the parabola? In the parabola tangent equation slope form enna? Y is equal to mx plus a by m. A value enna 1. Okay, well, this is the tangent equation for the parabola. In the circle or tangent equation enna? Y is equal to y enna? Y minus 0. Guys, m into x minus 3 plus r minus r into square root of 1 plus m square. Condition of tangency for circle enna? Suresh sir enna sonnara? C is equal to plus or minus r into square root of 1 plus m square. This is tangent equation for the circle, sir. Okay, in the tangent equations ரெண்டுமே சேம் ஆயிருக்கு பாரு. இது y is equal to something, y is equal to something. ரெண்டுமே கம்பேர் பண்ணி you can say the value of m. ஓகேவா? இது y, இது y. ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணி m வேல்யூ சொல்லிக்கலாமா? சார் எப்படி சார்? ஒரு ஈஸியான மெத்தட் சொல்லுங்க சார். சார் ஒரு ஈஸியான மெத்தட் நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு ஈஸி மெத்தட் வேணும்னா எப்படி பாரு? சார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்லி நான் வந்து என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்னா பார்த்தா சார் I will be comparing the coefficient. ஓகேவா? Comparing the coefficient or proportionate them. Proportionate. Sir, first ninga idu enna na, first everybody listen the class. First we will solve this. Eppadi? Y is equal to mx minus 3m plus r minus square root of 1 plus m square. Okay va? Ipo proportionate both mx cancel enu and m value enna da? தருண்ஜி போட்டுட்டு இருக்கடா தருண்ஜி, கொஞ்சம் டைம் வேணுடா, டைம் வேணும் தருண். என்ன தருண் இப்படி பண்றீங்க தருண்? இது ஈக்குவேஷன் நம்பர் 1 சார், இது ஈக்குவேஷன் நம்பர் 2 சார். இப்போ 1 is equal to 2 பண்ணிக்கலாமா பாரு? both are same, y same. இப்போ mx plus 1 by m is equal to what is this? mx minus 3m plus r minus square root of 3 into 1 plus m square. Correct? mx cancel, sir. From this you need to find out the value of m, sir. 1 by m is equal to 1 by m plus 3m is equal to plus or minus 3 into 1 plus m square. Cool? Yes. Cool? Squaring on both sides பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Can we do the squaring on both sides? Squaring on both sides. Sir, squaring on both sides பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு பாரு a square plus b square plus 2ab which is 6. இது 9 plus 9m square. Squaring on both sides பண்ணா ஓகேவா? இது உஷ்காக ஆயிரும் சார். 1/m² is equal to what சார்? 1/m² is equal to 3. அப்போ m is equal to plus or minus 1/√3. m is equal to plus or minus 1/√3. Yes or no? Yes sir. You take either plus or minus. You take either plus or minus. Anything works. And now I'll put m value in the first equation. Anyway, sir, m value inga podunuma. Anything you put. First equation or second equation. Pari. So first equation lande pari. Y is equal to mx. Mx means what? 1/√3. Y is equal to m value. If I'm taking positive, let's see what happens. Positive edutha our 1/3 √x plus √3. But this is the answer. This simplify panna namalku enna varum? √3y is equal to x plus 3. X plus 3. Exactly sir. This is what the answer. Namalku this is the final answer. Pari. This is the answer. Which option matching? B for balle balle. √3y plus x plus 3. Yes or no? Check. Guys, common tangent veruna namalku equation of tangent in slope forms theriyum first. Okay, equation of tangent in slope form. In the tangent oda equation of tangent in slope form idi. In the circle oda equation of tangent in slope form idi. Okay va, rendume compare pananum. Common tangent enna? இந்த கர்வுக்கு ஒரே ஒரு tangent இருக்கும். Yes or no da? Sir, diagram sorry, எனக்கு diagram வேணும் sir. Diagram வேணுமா? பாரு. இதெல்லாம் ஒரு rough diagram பாரு. Circle oda center enna? 3,0. 3,0 somewhere it will be here da. Okay va? 3,0 na inga இருக்கும் circle. Radius 3. Something like this. Please do understand some rough diagram. A parabola. These two guys are having some tangent. Rough diagram. It need not to be perfect, guys. Okay, just to make you understand. Okay, you randomly having the common tangent. But in the black line is what basically the tangent, common tangent. In the black line is what basically tangent, common tangent for parabola and circle. And the black line oda equation da idi. Okay va? Yes or no? Yes. Could not understand anything. If you understand the previous classes, idu puriyunda. Suddenly in the class ku vanda puriyadu. Okay va? Sandhyaji, what to do sir? He is asking sir, could not understand anything, what to do? So you have to do one thing. Previous classes, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நடத்துற classes எல்லாமே watch பண்ணி இந்த class attend பண்ணா நீட்டாவே புரியும்டா. So firstly parabola ஓட tangent equation in slope form இது. இந்த circle ஓட tangent equation in slope form இது. இது ரெண்டுமே கம்பேர் பண்ணா நமக்கு m வேல்யூ என்ன வந்துருச்சுனா 1/√3. இந்த m வேல்யூ தூக்கி போட்டா ஈக்குவேஷன் நம்பர் 1ல இது வந்துருச்சு. சார் ஏன் சார் நீங்க plus 1/√3 எடுக்கீங்க சார்? ஏன் plus 1/√3 தான் எடுக்கணும், -1/√3 ஏன் எடுக்க கூடாதுன்னா யோ விஷ். உங்களோட இஷ்டத்துக்கு 1/√3 எடுக்கலாம், -1/√3 எடுத்துக்கலாம், உங்களோட இஷ்டத்துக்கு என்ன எடுத்தாலும் வரும். பட் மைனஸ் எடுத்தா நம்மளுக்கு ஆப்ஷன்ல இருக்கா இல்லையா பார்க்கணும். இல்லாட்டி அதை எடுக்கக்கூடாது. ஓகேவா? மைனஸ் எடுத்தா அது ஆப்ஷன்ல கிடையாது, பிளஸ் எடுத்தா ஆப்ஷன்ல இருக்கு. ஸோ பிளஸ் ஐ எம் டேக்கிங் இட். புரியுதா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? Any doubt guys? Hi Sandhya, yes Aditya, sorry, yes and Aditya. Okay va? Very good sir. This is how the common tangent works. Okay guys, this is the homework for you all. This is the homework for you all. See, this parabola, this is parabola. This homework, please try this. This homework for you all. Okay va? Next concept enna pathinga, pair of tangents from an external point. Pair of tangent drawn from an external point. Pair of tangent drawn from an external point to a circle enna irundichida. Same concept I am going to use here. Circle la irukra concept da inga use பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேடா. Parabola irukra concept ellipse la vandrum. Ellipse la irukra concept same hyperbola la vandrum. Okay va? Yes or no? Yes. இங்க பாரு, pair of tangents from an external point. Pair of tangent from an external point is nothing but what? These are parabola. Okay va? From this we are drawing the tangent. Let's say the point name is what? Point name is point P name is what basically? Point P is what basically? X1 comma Y1. Okay, point X1 comma Y1. Now inga correct pathina sir, what is the pair of tangent equation? Okay, in the tangent common tangent equation, t square is equal to s1 da. Pair of tangent equation chuma t square is equal to s1. What is t here? What is t here? Tangent equation. What is s here? Parabola equation. S1 enna? Power of point. Power of point kudutha point parabola substitute pannom. Okay, listen. Sir, y square is equal to 4ax, let's say. What is s here? Here s is going to be, what is s here? What is s here? Here, where s is going to be what? Y square minus 4ax is your s. What is s1? What is s1 da? S1 is the point in the parabola substitute pannom, which is nothing but y1 square minus 4ax1. What is t? T is nothing but replace y square with y1 minus 4 into x will be replaced with x plus x1 by 2. Replacement method. Suresh sir nethe t na enna replace panano. X square will be replaced with xx1, y square will be replaced with y1, x will be replaced with x plus x1 by 2, y will be replaced with y plus y1 by 2. Va anna va. Okay, va. Yes or no? Very good, sir. Yes. So this is the equation for equation of tangent from, equation of pair of tangent from an external point. Formula t square is equal to ss1. இப்போ chord of contact என்ன சார்? Chord of contact very important, listen to the class. Chord of contact na பாரு, ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் நான் ஒரு நீட்டா ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுக்குறேன் பாரு. This is the parabola. This is a tangent to the parabola. This is the parabola, let's say in the parabola. Okay, this is the parabola. In the parabola ku chord of contact enna basically in the parabola this tangent is meeting at this point. Okay, this tangent is meeting this point. இப்போ இது ரெண்டுமே ஜாயின் பண்ணா இது chord of contact ஆயிடும். Let's say A point, இது B point. Here AB is chord of contact. In the point P enna, from this point you are drawing the tangents to the parabola. அது என்ன point? X1, Y1. இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து இப்போ ரெண்டு parabola see, in the point ல இருந்து you are drawing two tangents. And the tangents are meeting at what point? A point and B point. இப்போ A and B, A enna point of contact, B enna point of contact. A and B join பண்ணா நமக்கு chord of contact equation வந்துரும். In the chord of contact equation வேணும்னா we simply put it as t is equal to 0. அவ்வளவுதாடா. T is equal to 0, sir. So t na enna basically, let's say y square is equal to 4ax parabola. What is t here? Where t is what basically? T is equal to 0 means what? T means what basically? Y square will be replaced with y by 1. 4a into x plus x1 by 2. Purida. This is what your t. Purida. This is what your t. T will be replaced with what? Y by 1 minus 4a into x plus x1 by 2. Sir, so t ultimately is going to be what? Y by 1 minus 2a. Simply tangent equation marida. That's it. So this is equal to 0 panna avladha. Idu equal to 0 panna namakku t value, chord of contact equation vandrum. Yes or no? Very good. Next. Or advanced question parra. Or advanced question, see, if a chord with wait, I think we need to discuss this. Equation of a chord when midpoint is given is missing here. Sorry sir, why this guy? Who is this guy? Slides venum, enna slides venuda? Slides enna slide? Sir, chord of contact mudicha. But next chord of equation of chord when midpoint is given. Equation of chord, next concept enna? Next concept name is equation of chord when midpoint is given. Equation of chord when midpoint is given. Same concept we have seen in circle as well. Circle-ஐயும் பாத்தியாச்சுடா, same concept. Circle-ஐயும் நீங்க படிச்சிருப்பீங்கடா already. Same concept I'm going to discuss here. நீங்க பாரு எப்படி சார்? சார் இது ஒரு parabola. Let's say இது ஒரு parabola. ஓகேவா? இது ஒரு parabola. இந்த parabola-க்கு mid point இது. இந்த parabola-க்கு இது chord. இந்த parabola-க்கு இது chord. ஓகேவா? இந்த wait. இந்த parabola-க்கு இது chord. In the chord or a midpoint is given to us. What is the midpoint? Let's say x1 comma y1 is given to us. Midpoint is given to us as what? x1 comma y1. Okay, wow. Chord or midpoint is m1. I mean m x1 comma y1. Okay, wow. இப்போ இந்த chord or equation என்னன்னா simply என்ன பண்ணணும்? Formula என்ன? Simple formula. T is equal to s1. T is equal to what? S1. Let's say this parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax is the parabola name. Purida. So T means what? A tangent equation. So what is tangent equation? y1 minus 4 into a into x plus x1 by 2 s1. S1 means what, sir? What is S1 means? S1 means the point idhula podanum avladha. y1 square minus 4a x1. கரெக்டா? இது சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணால் நமக்கு என்ன வந்துடும்? y1 minus 2a times of x plus x1 y1 square minus 4a x1. This is the equation of chord of contact. Sorry, equation of chord when midpoint is given. So T means tangent, S1 means இந்த point இதில் போட்டால் நம்மளுக்கு இப்படி வந்துருச்சுடா. இப்போ இந்த parabola-ஓட chord equation when midpoint is given என்ன இது. ஓகேவா? Sir, what about other parabolas? Same story. T is equal to S1 da. Substitute the point in that you will get S1 and replace y square with y by 1 x with x plus x1 by 2. அப்படி replace பண்ணா நமக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்துரும். Very good. Sir, இதுக்கு ஒரு கான்செப்ட் பாரு. அட்வான்ஸ்ல கேட்டிருக்காங்கடா பாரு. Mains point of view ரொம்ப important. Mains key ரொம்ப important. If a chord which is not a tangent of the parabola this has the equation this and the midpoint is this, then which of the following is the possible values of p, h and k? This is beautiful question. Okay, beautiful question, simple question. Sudeep, hi Sudeep, good to see you Sudeep. Okay, wow. Sir, y square is equal to 16x. This is the parabola given to us. Okay, wow. It has equation. The chord which is not a tangent to the parabola has the equation. The chord or the equation, this is the chord equation they have given. This is the chord equation they have given. In the chord equation, chord midpoint is what basically h comma k. Let us take this midpoint. What is the midpoint? H comma k, right? Midpoint h comma k given. Now what is the chord equation given? What is the chord equation? This is 2x plus y is equal to p. Chord equation is 2x plus y is equal to p. Midpoint is what? H comma k and y square is equal to 16x is the parabola equation. Super, sir. So இப்போ t is equal to s1 formula use பண்ணிக்கலாமா? T is equal to s1 formula. Simple ra babu, listen the class. So midpoint means what? This guy will be equal to this guy. This line segment will be divided in equal pieces. Okay, wow. T is equal to s1. T means what basically? Tangent. So y1 means what? K minus 16 into x plus x1. X1 means what? H by 2. Sir, Nita, you write, sir, step by step. Okay, Rachinto. S1 means what? In the point idhula podano avladha. Y square minus 16x. Sir, y1 means what? K 2 ones to 8 minus 8 into x plus x1 is equal to y square minus s1, right? y1 square 16x1. So y1 means what basically? k square minus 16h. Okay வா, ky minus 8x minus 8h is equal to k square minus 16h. Okay வா சார், இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு what is the equation? Tell me, what is this equation da? This is the chord equation, right? So ky minus 8h நம்மளுக்கு x y and constants, right? Okay, பாரு sir, ky minus 8x k square minus 8h. In the minus 8h, if it is going that side, then minus 8h I'm going to get. புரியுதா? Now this what they have given da, this is the chord equation. They have given the chord equation. பாரு நம்மளுக்கு t is equal to s1 formula யூஸ் பண்ணா இந்த chord equation வந்துருச்சுடா. and அவர் கொடுத்த chord என்ன இது? இப்போ ரெண்டுமே chord தானா? These two are representing chord equations only. Can I compare these two guys? 100% yes. எப்படி சார்? இப்போ y plus 2x is equal to p. இதையும் chord equation தான். இதையும் chord equation தான். both are chord equations. ரெண்டுமே கம்பேர் பண்ணி பாரு. compare பண்ணி you need to find out the values of. கண்டிப்பா விக்கி கண்டிப்பா பண்ணிக்கலாம். wait, everything will do, don't worry. compare எப்படி பண்ணணும்? I'll do here. பாரு, k by 1 is equal to what da? minus 8 by 2 is equal to what? Constants. Okay வா சரி, இப்போ ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணினா பாரு 4 டைம்ஸ். இது ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணா k வேல்யூ -4 வந்துரும். பாரு k வேல்யூ -4னா இந்த k வேல்யூ -4னா பாரு என்ன பண்ணணும்? சிம்பிள் லாஜிக் டாரே. ஓகே, இந்த பாரு இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிளாக் கலர் பாக்ஸ் சால்வ் பண்ணா 4 வந்துருச்சு. இப்போ இது சால்வ் பண்ணா வந்துட்டு இருக்கு -4 is equal to 16 minus 8h by p. இந்த மைனஸ் இதுனா -8 by 2 னா -4, k square னா -4 whole square 16 minus 8h by p. so இப்போ பாரு 8h minus 4p 16 minus 8h. சரி, இப்போ இந்த ஈக்குவேஷனுக்கு what is this? 8h minus 4p is equal to 16. now verify with options. options verify பண்ண என்ன option satisfy ஆகும் பாரு sir. 8h minus 4p is equal to 16. அப்போ பாரு which option is matching da? sir, p value minus option A check பண்ணிக்கலாமா? -2. we need to substitute everything over here da. 8h minus 4p is equal to 16. okay, they have given p h k, right? let me write as it is da. -4p plus 8h is equal to 16. okay வா substitute பண்ணி பாரு. minus plus 8 16 no option ஏ வராது. b option satisfy ஆயிட்டிருக்கா? so plus 3 b option matching no sir. c option matching 2 minus 8 plus 24. yes, c option matching. d option match ஆகாது sir. c for Chintu wala is the right answer. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? ரெண்டுமே கம்பேர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். எப்படி y கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் என்ன k, இங்க y கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் என்ன 1 k by 1, x கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் என்ன x கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் -8 by 2, கான்ஸ்டன்ட் by கான்ஸ்டன்ட். அப்படி கம்பேர் பண்ணா proportionate பண்ணா guys I'm proportionating their coefficients da. அப்போ k வேல்யூ என்ன -4, இந்த k வேல்யூ இதுல போட்டா 16 minus 8h by p. இது சால்வ் பண்ணா நமக்கு இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் வந்துருச்சு. இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல ஆப்ஷன் வெரிஃபை பண்ணா நமக்கு c ஆப்ஷன் வந்துட்டு இருக்குடா. hi anonymous, I am from ignite batch. yes or no? Shall we go forward? Any doubts here? Very good, very good, very good. Yes. Next concept, equation of normal, very important. Advanced point of view, important. So, if equation of tangent by the equation of normal also we should know. Equation of normal enna sir basically. Subhasri is asking, sir, is this important chapter? Yes, ma, romba important. Okay. Mains point of view, advanced point of view, romba important. Okay. Sir, is important and ke kaadinga. Important the important illi and ke kaadinga ma. Romba important. Okay, mains point of view important. Board kadayadu. VIT other entrance exams irukku illiya, and the other entrance exams ki romba important. So please understand. Okay, so equation of normal enna basically paru. Basically normal enna basically perpendicular da. Okay va. So for example, let me say this tangent da. In the tangent, okay, ipo in the parabola ki idu tangent. Idu na or tangent. At what point? At some point. This is tangent. Okay, this is normal. Always normal will be perpendicular to the parabola. Sorry, tangent. Normal will be perpendicular to the tangent. Normal is basically perpendicular line. Normal is perpendicular to the tangent. Sir, if tangent equation I know how to write. If normal equation how do you write? That is what the $1 million question. Okay, wow. இப்போ நார்மலா தெரிஞ்சிச்ச நார்மல் என்ன இது டான்ஜென்ட் எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும் நார்மலா அது பர்பெண்டிகுலர் லைன் அந்த நார்மலோட ஈக்குவேஷன் இன் டிஃபரெண்ட் ஃபார்ம்ஸ் எப்படி சார் பாரு so first I'll be talking about point form and then parametric form point form parametric form and slope form. Okay, wow. Point form, parametric form, slope form. Is that clear? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, point form na basically pare. For example, look at the board, everyone. This is tangent. Okay, this is tangent. This is normal. Sir, point form na point will be given to us. In a point A, x1 comma y1. Normal and tangent both will be perpendicular to each other. This is tangent. This tangent and normal. Okay. Sir, ipo ninga correct ah pathina pare. Okay. Sir, ipo normal equation. First look at the board, everyone. Guys, how do you find out slope of the tangent? First tell me. Slope of the tangent nenna basically y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, slope of the tangent one dirchina slope of the normal automatic avundrunda. So enna adi slope of the tangent enna dy by dx at the point. At this point, if I find out derivative of this the function, I mean the parabola, you will be getting slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent veruna epdi dy by dx. Slope of the tangent meaning enna? Slope of the tangent meaning enna? Dy by dx of the given curve at a given point. Ipo dy by dx enna pare? Dy by dx enna pare? 2 times of y is equal to what? 2 times of y into y dash is equal to 4a. In y dash na 4a by 2y. Okay, wow. You cancel panni pari. 2 ones, 2 2s. 2a by y. Ipo pari at x1 comma y1. So y place the y1 put now. What is this? Basically slope of the tangent. This is the slope of the tangent. Sir, you need to remember this. Again and again we will not teach this. Okay, further when we do the question, slope of the tangent for this parabola enna 2a by y1. y1 enna x y coordinate of the point. Okay va, slope of the tangent வந்துருச்சா. இப்போ slope of the normal என்ன வந்துரும் பாரு. So from this slope of the normal என்ன வந்துரும், reciprocal of this with opposite sign, minus y1 by 2a. Minus y1 by 2a is the slope of the normal. Yes or no? Slope of the normal enna basically idukku reciprocal with opposite sign. Yes sir, slope of the tangent and normal, I mean tangent equation eppadi irukida, tangent idu, normal idu, both are perpendicular to each other. Okay, two lines are perpendicular to each other enna, product of the slopes of, I mean product of the slopes is equal to -1. பாரு இப்போ இது into இது மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி பாரு, ரெண்டுமே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 2a cancel, y1 cancel, slope என்ன -1. ஓகேவா, சூப்பர் சார். இப்போ I know the passing through point. Normal is passing through this point. Normal is passing through this point. And normal or slope தெரியும். Can I use point slope form? பாரு sir, equation of normal பாரு, equation of normal. What is that? Y minus y1 is equal to slope of the normal enna minus y1 by 2a into x minus x1. avladha, this is the equation da. This is what you need to write, that's it. Equation of normal venuna point slope form. Normal is passing to one point, normal oda slope theriyum, I can write by using point slope form, y minus y1 as y minus y1 is equal to minus y1 by 2a is equal to x minus x1. Yes or no guys? Equation of normal enna basically point slope form I am using. First normal oda slope theriyumna point slope of the tangent theriyum, slope of the tangent theriyumna dy by dx theriyum. So dy by dx to this curve is what basically 2a by y. Why are you putting y1? Because the tangent is at x1 comma y1 and the y place la y1 போடணும். So slope of the tangent வந்து 2a by y1 ஆயிரும். அப்போ normal slope என்ன, slope of the normal என்ன, இதுக்கு reciprocal with opposite side. Cool? Okay, 12th பசங்களுக்கு இது புரியணும். ஓகேவா, இதுல ஏதோ ராக்கெட் சயின்ஸ் கிடையாது. ஓகே, பேசிக் வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கான்செப்ட், எல்லாமே இம்பார்ட்டன்டா. ஸோ பேக்லாக்ஸ் இருந்தால் ரொம்ப எவ்ரி பேக்லாக் வில் பி நீட்டாக கிளியர் ஆயிரும்டா. பட் திஸ் இஸ் வெரி 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 இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். எல்லாருக்கும் நீட்டாக யூனோ இந்த கான்செப்ட் புரியணும். பிகாஸ் திஸ் இஸ் பேசிக். பாயிண்ட் ஃபார்ம் வந்துருச்சா, சூப்பர் சார். இப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பேராமெட்ரிக் ஃபார்ம் சார். பேராமெட்ரிக் ஃபார்ம்னா என்ன சார்? பாயிண்ட் ஃபார்ம் ஓகே, பாயிண்ட் ஃபார்ம் ஓகே வந்துருச்சு, பாயிண்ட் ஃபார்ம் ஓகே வந்துருச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் பேராமெட்ரிக் ஃபார்ம் என்ன? சேம் பாபு, x1 comma y1 பிளேஸ்ல வாட் வி புட், parametric coordinates I am putting, that's it. இது tangent equation, இது normal equation, both are perpendicular. இங்க பாரு, both are perpendicular. At what point? At a point called this at square comma 2at. These are the parametric coordinates. அப்ப x1 comma y1 பிளேஸ்ல at square comma 2at போடணும், அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகேவா சார்? இங்க பாரு, சும்மா பாரு, y minus y1 என்ன 2at, slope of the normal என்னடா minus y1 by 2a, minus y1 means what? Minus y1 means 2at by 2a into x minus x1 enna at square. Guys, sir, you write that formula first. Minus y1 by 2a, right? Minus y1 by 2a into x minus x1. x1 y1 plus we need to put that. y1 enna 2at minus y1 means what? Basically 2at by 2a into x minus at square. Purida? So 2a cancel, 2a cancel, y minus 2at is equal to what? T into x minus at square. This is what the normal equation. This is what the normal equation of the parabola in parametric form. Hope everybody is clear with this. Okay, sir, can you write this in simplified version? I'll write in a simplified version. How do you write this? Y is equal to minus tx plus at cube plus 2at plus at cube plus 2at Okay, y is equal to minus tx plus at cube plus 2at. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. This is the equation of normal in parametric form. இப்போ next concept என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, listen the class. Here very important. I'll tell you one important logic. Listen the class. If we replace note, sorry, enna sir note? If we replace t is equal to minus m, we get equation of normal in slope form. அவ்வளவுதான். நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? இப்போ இந்த tangent equation, இந்த normal equation, இந்த normal equationல t value minus m போட்டா நம்மளுக்கு equation of tangent in equation of normal in slope form வந்துரும். சார் இதுக்கு முன்னாடி point form முடிஞ்சு சார். இப்போ இது parametric form சார். இந்த parametric form ஓட equation இது வந்துருச்சு சார். இப்போ இந்த parametric formல t if I replace it with minus m நம்மளுக்கு slope form வந்துரும். சார் slope form என்ன சார்? அரே equation of normal in slope form. Slope will be given to us. We need to write the equation of normal in slope form. எப்படி? Very simple ரா. சார் எனக்கு slope of the normal தெரியாது சார். அப்போ slope of the normal தெரியாதுன்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? Slope of the normal தெரியாதுன்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? Listen the class. First, சார் நம்மளுக்கு point of contact என்னன்னு தெரியணும்டா. ஓகேவா? இது நார்மல். சார் இப்போ இது point of contact என்ன தெரியாது. ஓகே, இந்த point of contact என்ன தெரியாது. Slope of the normal, let us say slope of the normal is equal to m. சார் இப்போ point formல நம்மளுக்கு point தெரியும். Parametric formலயும் point தெரியும். பட் slope formல இந்த point of contact தெரியாது. அந்த point of contact எப்படி find out பண்றதுன்னா பாரு. So slope of the normal m sir. We know that slope of the normal என்ன? Firstல what is the slope of the normal? பாரு slope of the normal என்ன வந்துருச்சு? Minus y1 by 2a. We know that பாரு. We know that slope of the normal is what? Minus y1 by 2a. Minus y1 by 2a. Yes or no? Super sir. Minus y1 by 2a. Slope of the normal, let us consider this. Let us consider slope of the normal as m. Idana m. Slope of the normal m. So m is equal to minus y1 by 2a. அப்போ y1 என்னடா வந்துரும்? y1 is equal to minus 2am. y1 is equal to what? Minus 2am. y1 is equal to what? Minus 2am. புரியுதா? சார் இப்போ y1 is equal to minus 2am வந்துருச்சு சார். Minus 2am. What is x coordinate, sir? What is x coordinate? What is x coordinate? Tell me. X coordinate is going to be m. If you take am square. How am square, sir? How? Arey babu, listen the class. What is this point? What is this parabola? In the parabola or name enna? In the parabola or name enna? Y square is equal to 4ax. இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு y1 தெரியும்டா. இந்த point x1 y1 lies. இது x1 y1, right? இப்போ x1 y1 lies on the parabola. பாரு, so y1 square is equal to 4ax1. புரியுதா? yes or no டா? y1 ல என்ன basically 4a square m square is equal to 4ax1. புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? சார் இந்த 4a அப்போ a x1 என்ன? what is x1? What is x1 basically? am square is x1. Okay va? am square is x1. புரியுதா? Point of contact in slope form என்ன? am square minus 2am. Very important. How I derive this? I know the slope of the normal as y1 by minus y1 by 2a. Slope of the normal I am considering it as m. So m is equal to minus y1 by 2a. y1 enna? Minus 2am. So y coordinate enna? Minus 2am. X coordinate enna? am square. So this is what the point of contact in slope form. Sir, இப்போ எனக்கு point தெரியும். and slope theorem. We can just substitute the in point slope form or y minus y1 enna 2am y minus y1 is equal to slope enna minus 2m minus plus 2am by 2a into x minus x1. That's it. 2a cancelled. Y plus 2am is equal to x minus am square. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Yes or no da? Ha. Here m irukku m irukku. M into x minus am square. You simplify panna y is equal to mx minus am cube minus 2am. This is the equation of normal in, you can write like this also. Y is equal to mx minus, shift this at 2am minus am cube. Both are correct only. This is the equation of normal in slope form. What is this da? Equation of the normal in slope form. Sir, நீங்க ஒரு ஷார்ட்கட் சொன்ன மாதிரி பாரு, previous slideல பாரு, what did we discuss? இப்போ இதுல t is equal to minus m போட்டா same இந்த equation தான் வந்துரும். இந்த equation எப்படி வந்துருச்சுனா, I know the point, slope of the normal m I know, slope of the normal என்ன m which is minus y1 by 2a, slope of the normal m, oh sorry, slope of the normal we took it as m, right? Directly put it as m, no problem. Slope of the normal direct m. Okay va, m na idi slope of the normal m, so இது simplify பண்ணா நமக்கு இது வந்துருச்சுடா. Simple, that's it. Okay va, slope of the normal is m and I know the point, slope I know, point I know. Can't I write equation of normal? Normal is one line dana, point slope form enna y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. adula substitute பண்ணா நமக்கு இது வந்துருச்சுடா. What is a here? A is this a value da, 4a. For example, y square is equal to 12x irundha 4a is equal to 12 dana, 4a is equal to 12. Appo a value 3, a value will get from the focus, sorry, parabola. Balamurugan purida? Hi Gomati. Next concept. So next concept pathina pari, this is very important table da. Note, see, I have put everything in one table da. Equation of normals for the parabolas. That's for these two parabolas you need to remember da. For other two parabolas also you can derive, but exam point of view these two parabolas is highly enough. For exam point of view in the rendu paraboloda equation, rendu paraboloda normal equations podunda. Equation of parabola this and point of contact in idi am square comma minus 2am. Equation of normal enna vandiruchu, y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. And condition of normal enna, condition of tangency vari condition of normal enna, the y is equal to mx plus c place la idana irukku paru, y is equal to mx plus c place la idu irukku. So that is why condition of normal is that. X square is equal to 4a by parabola ku point of contact enna idi minus 2a by m comma a by m square. Okay, y is equal to mx plus c means what, 2a plus a by m square. That is the condition of normal. Okay, for these two parabolas, equation of normal in slope form enna theriyanoda. Equation of normal in slope form enna, y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. Okay va, purida? Sir, in trigonometry, I'm forgetting the transformation formula, sir. How can I remember it? Practice more. Simple logic. Practice again and again and again and again. Okay. If you practice 10-15 times, it will be easy. It will like hardly 5 minutes to write da. Every day revise da. Simple logic. There is no trick, nothing. Okay. Very important result now. This is very important result. Important result. What is this important result? If the normal at one point called this intersect the parabola again at this point, then this condition is very important. Guys, this is super important. Advanced point of view, direct questions vandruda. This is direct question vandru advanced la. Okay, wow. Sir, புரியுதா நான் சொல்றது? Guys, we know this, right? Listen. Now, what he says here, this is one parabola. This is one parabola. The parabola tangent is normal is. If this normal touching the parabola again at some point called Q, this is P point. Point P na AT1 square comma 2AT1. Q point na AT2 square comma 2AT2. Okay, wow. This normal is at this point. This normal again touching the parabola at Q point. Apo there will be a condition for this parabola. I mean, there will be a condition for the normal. What is happening here? P கிட்ட ஒரு நார்மல் இருக்குடா, அந்த நார்மல் திருப்பி பேரபோலாக்கு Q பாயிண்ட் கிட்ட டச் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. அப்போ கண்டிஷன் என்னன்னா, சார் T2 is equal to minus T1 minus 2 by T1. எப்படி சார் ப்ரூஃப் என்ன? இங்க பாரு ப்ரூஃப் என்னன்னா, we know that equation of normal parametric form என்ன? Equation of normal parametric form என்ன சொன்னாரு சுரேஷ் சார்? இங்க பாரு y is equal to minus tx plus at cube plus 2at. Y is equal to minus tx, y is equal to minus tx plus 2at1. In terms of t1 t2 I'm writing plus 2at1 plus at cube. Check. புரியுதா? y is equal to minus t1x plus 2at1 plus at1 cube. Okay va? at1 cube. He says that this normal is intersecting again at this point. இப்போ இந்த பாயிண்ட் இதில் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு கண்டிஷன் வந்துடும், அவ்வளோதான். தட்ஸ் இட். திஸ் நார்மல் இஸ் பாசிங் த்ரூ என்னடா திஸ் பாயிண்ட் ஆல்சோனா, அரே எட் திஸ் பாயிண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் அ நார்மல்டா. திஸ் நார்மல் இஸ் பாசிங் ஆல்சோ த்ரூ த பாயிண்ட் கால்ட் Q. இந்த Q பாயிண்டோட கோஆர்டினேட்ஸ் இதில் போட்டால் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆயிரும் ஆகாதா? 100% எஸ். ஸோ y என்ன 2at2 மைனஸ் t1 இன்டூ x. x என்ன at1 sorry t2 square, right? t2 square plus 2at1 plus at1 cube. புரியுதா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ சார்? இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு a காமன் எடுத்து கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாமா பாரு. a இது காமன் எடுத்துட்டு கேன்சல் பண்ண என்ன வந்துடும் பாரு. சிம்பிளிஃபை திஸ், அவ்வளோதான். சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ண நம்மளுக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்துடும், அவ்வளோதான். 2t2 minus 2t1. எஸ் ஆர் நோ? அவ்வளோதான் பாரு. 2t2 பாரு, 2t2 is equal to simple பாரு, 2t2 as it is. In the 2t1 shifting to the left side, so 2t1 I'm getting what a t1 cube minus t1 t2 square. Okay va? So 2 common எடுத்தா t2 minus t1 is equal to what I'm going to get me here, t1 common எடுத்தா t1 square minus t2 square. So t1 plus t2 into t1 minus t2. Simple logic. Okay. இப்போ இது கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாம் பாரு. t1 minus t2 கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாமா? இங்க மைனஸ் வந்துரும். There will be one minus. So இது minus 2 is equal to t1 into t1 plus t2. ஓகேவா? சரி, நம்மளுக்கு t2 வேணும். t2 என்ன? From this t2 என்ன பாரு, t2 t2 என்ன? minus 2 by simple right. t2 என்ன பாரு, shifting t1 this side first, minus 2 by t1. ஓகேவா? minus t1 is equal to t2. புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? புரியுதா இல்லையாடா? shifting first this t1 this side, so minus 2 by t1, and in the minus t1 I'm shifting this side again, so t2 is equal to this. So this is the condition. Hence proved. புரியுதா? First I'm writing normal equation at this. We got this. We already got this equation. We know this equation, right? நமக்கு normal equation at 81 square 281 தெரியும். This normal is meeting again at point called Q. In the Q point இதுல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணா நமக்கு இந்த கண்டிஷன் வந்துட்டு இருக்குடா. வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். இதுக்கு மேல அட்வான்ஸ்ல क्वेश्चन வந்துருச்சுடா. क्वेश्चंस வந்துரும். Please be careful. Okay வா? Shall we go forward? Yes or no? Yes. ஒரு क्वेश्चन பார்த்தா நமக்கு ஐடியா வந்துரும் பாரு. Sir, this is advanced question, sir. sir advanced question கிடையாது, advanced question வந்துருச்சு, but this mains question பாரு. Sir, the tangent to the parabola this at this point called 2, 2 meet the x-axis again at q and normal to it at point p. Normal at it meet the parabola s at the point called r. Then the area of the triangle PQR. Area of the triangle PQR. Okay, guys, I'll give a hint. Everybody should do this. Dapari. Then a y square is equal to x parabola. Correct. Tangent at what point? At 2, 2. Tangent at what point? 2, 2. Correct. Tangent at 2, 2. Super, sir. Meet the x-axis at q. Tangent this meeting at q point. Q point na something, 0. Y coordinate of the q point will be 0 because q point is on the x-axis. Check. This tangent meeting the x-axis at q point. So y coordinate is 0. And the normal at this point is going to be what? Meeting the q again at this point. This is p point. Let's say the r point. Meet the parabola s again at point called r. Then the area of the triangle PQR we need to find out. Area of the triangle PQR we need to find out. Okay. Purida. Okay. Okay, PQR or area we need to find out. So I don't know what is R point, what is Q point. So how do you find out? That will be P point already I know. Q point how do you find out? This tangent, see, we need to write tangent at P, right? Tangent at P, right? You write tangent at P. Tangent at 2, 2 P. How do you write that? So T is equal to 0. Simply T is equal to 0 na. Y1 is equal to 2 times of x plus x1 by 2. Okay, wow. So 2y is equal to x plus 2. Okay, wow. Q point or y coordinate. This tangent meeting x-axis at Q point. Q point or y coordinate 0. Y value 0 podi. X plus 2. Va anna va. Very good, sir. Va anna va. X is equal to minus 2. Super anna. This is minus 2 down. Minus 2, 0. So P point theory, Q point theory. Very good, sir. Okay, wow. Sir, I know that tangent and normal both are perpendicular. Da. These are perpendicular. Tangent is normal. Both are perpendicular. Na? Tangent and normal is perpendicular. So this is a right angle triangle kandipa. So R point na. R point na. Look at the board. Guys, in the point is P point is basically AT1 square comma 2AT1. Correct or not? So 2AT1 is equal. Compare 2AT1 is equal to 2. So 2AT1 is equal to 2 na. A value nada. What is A value here? 4A is equal to 2. A value is basically 1 by 2. Substitute A into 1 by 2 into T is equal to 2. This is cancel. T1 is equal to 2. T1 is 2. Sir, when normal is touching the parabola again at R point, Suresh sir or conditions on in a condition pari. Sir, in the condition T1 then you T2 and a minus T1 minus 2 by T1. T2 and a from this T2 and a T2 is equal to minus T1 minus 2 by T1. So T2 is going to be minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 by 2. So T2 is ultimately 3 here. T2 is ultimately 3. Okay. About T2 point, T2 is ultimately 3 means, so minus 3, sir. Minus 3. Okay, what T2 ultimately minus 3. And what is this? AT2 square. A value na 1 by 2. AT2 square, which is 9 by 2. Comma 2AT2. 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 1 T2 minus 3. So 9 by 2 comma minus 3 is basically the R point. 9 by 2 comma minus 3. Yes. எனக்கு P point வந்துருச்சு, Q point வந்துருச்சு, R point வந்துருச்சு. Area of the triangle பாரு. Area for everybody look at the board. Area of triangle PQR வேணும்னா half into base. Base என்ன? இது base da. In the length, what is this length? This length is what? What is this length? 4 16 plus 4 20. So 2 root 5. 2 root 5. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. 2 root 5, correct? Half into base. Base is what? 2 root 5 into height. Height is what basically? What is height? Height on this. Okay, wow. So triangle is gonna look like what? Is right angle triangle, right? Is right angle triangle. Is hypotenuse. Okay, wow. Yes. What is base into height? Height and on this. What is height? 2 root 5 on this. Base enna? Base enna pari? This base. Now look PQR, right? You can draw the triangle if you don't understand. Right angle at what basically? Right angle is at what? P. Okay. So the triangle is like this. The P point, the Q point, is R point. Okay, wow. Yes or no? Base. Base enna? This Q point. Base enna? PR. PR means what? Sir, solve that. What is PR distance? Sir, 9 by 2 minus 2. Sir, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 25 by 4. Plus 25. Y x2 minus x1 whole square. Plus 25, right? So 125 by 4. 125 by 4 means what? 125 by 4 means 5 root 5. 5 root 5 by 2. Purida iliyada. This 5 root 5 by 2 da. Paathuko. 5 root 5 by 2. This 2. 5 root 5 by 2. Be careful. That is very simple. Very good question. 2 cancel. Sir, ipo area verana eppadi? Root 5 root 5. 5. 5 is 25. 25 by 2 is the right answer. 25 by 2 is the right answer. 25 by 2 is the right answer. A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. Super duper question. I need to find out the area of this triangle. Which triangle? This triangle. I need to find out the area of this triangle. In the area, in the triangular area, in the triangular area, this height, this base. Check. Purida. Yes or no, basically, PR is base, QP is height. QP is 2 root 5 and PR is what basically? PR is basically 5 root. Here, oh my god, technology. Come back. Look at the board, everyone. Chintu. PR. PR is what, sir? 5 root 5. Right? Here 5 root 5 by 2. What answer? This answer. This is the answer ultimately. Here. Okay, wow. Sir, 25 by 2 is the right answer. Super duper question. Correct idea. Yes or no? Yes, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today, Raj Chintu. Yes, we are done with tangents, normals, and important points. Next concept, next class, co-normal points and properties of parabola. Next class will be small. Okay, wow. Next lecture will be little smaller because the duration of the next lecture will be less. That's it. We are left with co-normal points and then properties of parabola. Okay, wow. That's it for today. Hope everybody understood. Hope you enjoyed. Guys, we are putting so much of effort behind this. Okay, so make sure that you people are subscribing the channel and share the content with your friends. And I'm telling right, in the time in the my content is really boost your confidence. It will boost your confidence. Make sure that you are sharing this content with your friends as well. Okay, marakama subscribe panni, share pannangada, and yes. So those who have not joined the Telegram group, for latest updates, you need to join the Telegram group. This Telegram group QR code. In the Telegram group QR code scan panni, join panni. Latest updates on the group varunda, please. Okay. That's it for today. We'll meet you guys in the next class. And then, tada bye. Good night. Have a nice day. Love you all, my dear Chintos. Tada bye. Good night. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you guys in the next class.